So I'm going to show you my job. I'm doing a favor for Larry, but let's pretend this is a house. But this is the plumber. Used to just strip it back down in here, and I knew that would destroy the broiler. So I told him maybe I should put this line on here, and that was on Friday, the February 1st. So today's Monday. There's the gas line coming in. Comes in. There's a lot of heat. You know, they have time to just a lot of heat. And it fuels it. It's like air. Pretty much so you can smell it all right. And I'm going to show you. It comes out gas. It's not still gas, but you don't want to breathe it. I got it to burn. Hold on. Don't turn it off. Whoa. Oh, got it. Fine. Nice job.
And where do you work, Luke?
Acme plumbing.
How many?
Here it is.
And when do you go to work?
On Friday, but today's Monday.
And what do you want to be when you grow up?
Plumber. Probably might work here. You see this